Alright, what I have here is a 6T45 transmission out of a 2010 Chevy Equinox, and it has a 2.4 liter engine. And what I'm going to do is show you a probable cause, because I get a lot of questions on this. Happened to my transmission. What do you think it is? Well, a lot of times I don't know what it is, so what I'm going to do is post things that happen to certain transmissions and tell you what the customer experienced. Alright, the customer was driving, and all of a sudden to them the RPMs went up and start moving. Even though they were rolling, the RPMs went very high. They had no forward and they had no reverse. After disassembling this transmission, what I saw that caused this issue or contributed to this issue was this sprag. It's locked up. It doesn't move forward. It doesn't move back. It doesn't move at all. It's supposed to move one way and stop the other way. Also, I saw gear damage in here. This is the gear that's in the back. You see here? When I see that, I also know that anything that rides on that gear is going to be damaged. Right here. You see? And the sun gear, this part here is what went inside. Okay? And anything that rides around here, which will be a ring gear, you got to check that out. Of course, it was damaged. And that is this part right here. Okay, everything else was good. They took this to the dealer when they was having an issue, and the dealer supposedly put them a new computer in there, and I guess somehow the dealer said it may not be under warranty. I don't know how that worked out, but the problem was on the inside. Okay, so if your vehicle stops moving, this is a probable cause. Sprag, and then you have the other gears that tore up too. Now, I'll show you how the sprag is supposed to move. This is a new mechanical diode, or sprag, called a mechanical diode. And the way it's supposed to operate is that way and lock this way. You can't turn this way, run this way. Alright, so this one here is not doing anything. It's locked up completely. Alright? Alright, again, this was a 2011 Chevy Equinox with a 2.4 liter engine, and it stopped moving forward or reverse.